Hello my digital planner friends, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to do a digital plan with me for the month of April, and we're going to use the kitchen theme sticker kit. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and all the fun things. If you could hit that like button if you like these kind of videos, I would appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. Let's get to planning. Okay, so here is the kitchen theme sticker kit. It has our verses. There's 4 verses, then the matching rectangles, our prayer, our to-do list, some washi, the check boxes. Here is our week's covers, our icons, our emotions, weather, some words. Here is our month stickers, our date cover stickers. Those are super cute this month. I don't think I'm going to use them this month, but they are super cute. We have some little cooking icons, pictures, and then our regular icons, and so those down there. I'm going to close out that one, and we're going to use the elements collection. I like to use that. So you're going to tap your elements. If you've already loaded it into your planner, you can click this box right here, and that opens it up on the side. And then I like to move it over so that way there is 3 on the side. Again, if you pinch in, it makes your planner smaller. If you pinch out, it makes it zooms in. So we're going to start with our week covers. Just love this sticker kit. It's so cute. Alrighty, so we've got, I'm going to drag these in, and then we'll go ahead and make them fit their boxes better. For some reason they're out of order. That happens sometimes when you pull them in. No big deal though. Okay, so again, I'm going to zoom, pinch out that way to make it zoom in. I'm going to move this one down a little bit. Then I'm going to go to my photos icon, because I like to work on that because it gives you some extra control. You can see you have 3 controls with that, but if you were using just the elements, you only have this one. And that's just, I like to make mine fit the boxes as best I can. So I can use this to shrink it all, but then I can use this to come down and shrink it to fit better in the box. And that is such a cute little kitchen cover. Okay, working on Wednesday now. Oh, let's move Thursday up a little bit. Are you excited for April? I know I am. It is my birthday month, so really excited for that. Who doesn't love their birthday months? I get to get a little bit spoiled. Not that I don't get spoiled all the time, but get a little bit extra spoiled for your birthday. Or I hope you do anyway. Okay, we got those all put in. Now let's work on, there's a few days that I want to highlight. My kids are off a few days, so let's say see. I'm going to use my square, come back over to my photo tool, measure it down a little bit, come over to the text tool, no school. Okay, we are going to lasso it and put it in. And they're also off, which I thought this makes it a 4-day weekend. They're also off on, well, that was weird. My planner's going a little cuckoo here. Copy, paste, and it did it again. Copy. Alrighty then. See, even people that plan all the time have issues sometimes. There we go. That worked. I just duplicated it. Okay. So we have the no school on those days. We have my birthday on the 6th. I'll make that smaller. We have Easter on the 20th. You know what? I think I want to put one of those. I'm going to put pink. Go back to our photo tool. Okay, now since I did Easter first in text, I need to make sure that this is behind it. So you're going to tap it and you're going to hit arrange and send to the back. And then Easter pops up in the front, which let's make just a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, so we have Easter, we have my birthday, we have the kids no school. What else? Is there anything else? I think that will be sufficient to be able to start planning. We're going to come in and use our washi. I'm going to go again to the photo tool and make that fit its spot. And drop it in. And then we're gonna put this little guy here. Again, photo tool makes it a little bit easier to work with. Okay, we got that. I have another spot down here. I may just copy. Yeah, let's make it a little bit bigger again. There we go. Okay, I really like this lady. Let's see if I can put that in the center this month. We'll leave that right there for right now. Prayer list needs to come up on top. Then I need a verse. Let's use this flower one. Okay, now come in and fix. There we go. That's cute. Okay. Let's come back to the top and find my church, because we go to church every Sunday. And I plan on Sundays. we take the trash out on Sundays. And for some reason, that is one of the things that sometimes gets forgotten. So I like to put it on my planner because it's pretty important that we don't forget that one. Let's see what pastes down. My copy and paste is not wanting to work today. I'm just going to duplicate. There we go. That time it worked. All right, so we need to adjust this so that Easter isn't covered up for sure. There we go. Okay, now Monday. Oops, we got on the wrong thing over here. Monday we have coffee chat, and I'm going to use a different box. Let's use this gold one. Come back over to the photo tool, make it so it fits. Text tool. Coffee chat. It should look okay. Yeah, it looks good on that. Let's go find my coffee cup. And we'll see if the lasso and copy works today again. Oop. There we go. Now it's working. Okay, Tuesdays we don't have anything. And I keep bumping the wrong things. We have Bible study on Wednesdays. All right, Thursdays is payday. This month we have payday. Let's find our payday. There it is. On the 3rd. And the 17th. Okay, so that means we're going to do our bills on Fridays of that. Let's go ahead and find that. Let's see. Let's use this gold again. Okay, now we need our weekend sticker to be putting in here. And we need our family time sticker. And copy and paste these in. Yay, the paste is working. Okay, I did not put in my weight. I think I'm just going to put both of them up on the top here this time. Okay, so we'll have the beginning and the end of the month there. Let's see. I want to put in these beautiful stickers. Let's cook. I love how this crock-pot meal one came. You could even use that on days, obviously, that you're doing a crock-pot meal. That mixer turned out adorable. Let's see, where can I put this one? Let me stick him down here. There's a little space down there. So that looks perfect down there. And so, yeah, that's how our April has come about. I don't think I'm going to add anything else. So there you go. There is the month of April, all decorated up and pretty. This was the kitchen sticker kit again, and if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another video, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.